Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore WhatsApp business chat. Alright, it is pretty easy to do, but there is one crucial step that you should have done when you try to decide to recover your chats. Alright, so basically, first up is that you need to make a backup of your chats. To do so, on WhatsApp business, go ahead and tap the three dots right here and go to settings. Alright, now once you're in here, simply go ahead over to chats. Tap on it and chat backup. All right. As you can see here, you can include videos in the backup as well. For example, you have messages right here that include videos. It will be included in the backup. Just make sure to input your Google account right here. All right. Where you want your backup to be saved. Once done, just hit on backup and wait for the process to finish. Now to restore it, for example, you haven't installed WhatsApp Business before, or you have a new phone and you have logged into the same account, go ahead and open up the app itself. All right. Now, when you set it up, it will require you to input your phone or email as such. And after that, there will be a prompt right here at the center of your screen that will ask you to restore backup or skip. All right. So basically don't hit on skip. All right. Go ahead and hit on recover chat. And after that, just simply wait for it to process. It will take some time, about a minute or so. And after that, your WhatsApp business chats will be recovered, including the videos if you enable the slider to include videos as I have shown you before. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.